Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the black hole splitter app. So first you have to download it on your iPhone. For this example I am using an iPhone, but it's also available on Android. So let's go to the App Store and type black hole, and here you can find it, black hole splitter. So I have already downloaded it. I will open it directly, and here I won't allow it to send me notification. I don't want to. Yeah, you will have another ad here, so ask it not to track and close the ad. After that, you can go back to the home page of your phone and then go to TikTok. Now, once you find the TikTok that you
Scrutiny.
like, you can go and copy the link. So to do that, go to share and then copy link. After that, once you have your link copied, go back to the Black Hole Splitter app and then click on the black thing in the middle, and then allow full access and wait for the video to be downloaded. Now once the loading has finished, you can go back to your gallery and here look for the video that has been downloaded. So as you can see here, the video is downloaded and without the watermark, which is the most important thing here. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.